Hi, it's Wes from OXO H2O Canada. We're here at Parkview Terrace looking to massively improve the reserve fund efficiency of this project. We're going to be implementing a number of recommended solutions for this condo project to save a lot of money and to return a lot of value from the reserve fund that's being eaten up with inflation from normalized costs that we're seeing year over year. What we see here is 40-year-old concrete that has normalized wear and tear. You're seeing a break in the concrete that obviously is going to have to be replaced, but the concrete as a whole is in quite good condition. You're looking at some normalized maintenance here to preserve this concrete and to return this concrete to a state where you have long-term value. But in a whole, you're seeing normalized deterioration here. You can see in the rebar in the concrete, it's starting to rust. And as the concrete rusts, you're going to have 4,400 pounds of square inch pressure pushing concrete off of these stairs, making the stairs very expensive to replace and costing the condo association a lot of money. Stopping this problem right now, while it's still visually attractive and preserving the value of the concrete, can save the condominium a lot of money. So what's happening here in this location is that the water drainage coming off the balcony is not ideal. On both sides of this wall, you can see massive concrete challenges coming from the draining water. When we think of concrete, we think of something that's expected to last a very long time, but concrete starts to decay from the moment it's poured. The initial challenges come from salts and chlorides that typically end up on sidewalks and from salt air. What you're seeing in this particular staircase is just the natural degradation process of concrete. You're ending up with spalling and pitting that is going to shorten the lifespan of this concrete. And of course, the cost to replace this concrete with specialized trades, concrete that's gone up 20% year over year on average for the last few years, and the rip out and replacement costs, let alone the environmental problems, it's astronomical. And of course, condo reserve funds are not meant to appreciate 20% per year. This creates an incredible problem for the condo board. What we see here is the second stage of spalling. This is the intermediate stage on the challenge for this concrete. Next stop is going to be safety hazard. What we see here is stage 3 of the concrete challenges. So the first stage on the stairs, we showed the beginning of loss of alkalinity in the concrete, to the second stage where you're seeing aggressive spalling, and now here where you see very aggressive challenges, and this is where you're getting into a safety hazard. This is by the garbage bins at the back of the property, where you're seeing typically the condo board putting more salts onto the concrete pad for winter time. So you're going to see more challenges here than you would say on the staircase. That, along with the direct exposure to sunlight, freeze thaw, means that you're going to have more aggressive challenges here than anywhere else. This concrete can be saved if you move at this time. And this is a very expensive piece of concrete if you have to replace it. For a very small amount of money, you can protect this concrete as it stands right now and not have to replace this in the years to come. It's just a really expensive item that you do not want to miss preserving and rehabilitating, so you don't have to pay that heavy-duty replacement cost.